We're delving into a subject today that many of you have been requesting information on: money loans with no credit check. We'll discuss what these loans are, how they operate, and whether they're a good option for you in this video. Let's define money loans with no credit check before getting into the specifics. These are loans that can be obtained by those with bad or no credit histories. These loans frequently omit the credit check that is a part of the application procedure for regular loans, which is usually required. The accessibility of these loans is one of its key benefits. It could be difficult for you to get a loan from a conventional lender if you have a bad credit score or no credit history at all. When other options may be restricted, money loans without a credit check can offer an alternate answer, enabling you to obtain the finances you require. In addition, compared to traditional loans, the application process for these loans is frequently less complicated and quicker. Lenders place a greater emphasis on your income and employment status because there isn't a credit check involved. This implies that your chances of getting accepted may be higher if you have a consistent source of income. Money loans with no credit check could seem like the perfect option, but you should think carefully before taking the next step. First and foremost, compared to conventional loans, these loans frequently have higher interest rates. By ignoring your creditworthiness, lenders take on greater risk, so they make up for it by levying higher lending rates. Before agreeing, it's essential to read and comprehend the loan's terms and conditions completely. Be wary of predatory lenders. Second, unfortunately, some dishonest people and businesses have drawn attention to the market for no credit check loans. To make sure the lender has a solid reputation, always do your homework and read reviews. Always keep in mind that if a deal seems too good to be true, it generally is. There are other choices worth considering if you're worried about the high interest rates or potential risks linked with loans without a credit check. One lasting tactic that works well is increasing your credit score. You can gradually increase your creditworthiness by making on-time payments on your debts, maintaining low credit card balances, and using credit cards sensibly. Later on, this will make better lending possibilities available. Additionally, think about contacting regional community banks or credit unions. They frequently have more flexible financing requirements and can provide situation-specific advice. In conclusion, if you need money right away and don't have many credit possibilities, money loans without a credit check may be a good choice. The rising interest rates and related risks should be understood, though. Always do your research, read the small print, and, if practical, weigh your options. The video for today is complete. Give it a thumbs up if you found it useful and share it with others you think would find it useful. As usual, remember to subscribe to our channel for further educational video. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the next video.